Today I'm going to be removing this glove box, removing this trim to get this vent out the way, and removing this MMI screen. We're going to be removing this glove box firstly, because this trim along here has got a bolt down here, a bolt down here, so we could remove this heat panel to remove this air vent, so we could remove this MMI screen. To get on with this job, there's an 8mm bolt down here, one over there, one in that corner there, one here, one there. Knock this out here, but I could leave that for now. Now once that glove box is out, what we're going to do is remove the silver trim. Once the glove box is off, you could leave it hanging, so the MMI is here at the back. So if you wanted to remove this, you'd need the plug, these keys to put in there and there, and that will move away. So if you tried pulling on this trim here and it doesn't come off from the top, because you can see one over here, T20 there, another T20 there. So there's going to be another one down here holding it, guys. As you can see, that comes away now. It's clipped in to them, but just one more on this side. To remove this panel, what you need to do is just push these ones up. You could probably do it with your finger. Now to get to these vents. It's got 4 T20s there. That's how you'd remove that. If you wanted to remove this panel, remove that and then put it back in. Just remember, guys, it's got 3 T20s at the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead to remove this air vent, this long one that runs along here. It's got 8mm here and 2 along the middle, one there and another one over there. Let's go ahead and remove them. One also hiding at the back here. This trim here, it seems like you could just lift it upwards and it'll come out. So it's got one at the back there to take off that air vent. Once you remove this trim here, you got one there and one there. That's the air trim away. So now to get to this MMI, it's a bit floppy. What we need to do is, there's another 8mm there and an 8mm there. have a look on the wiring here for any rips or any tears. Everything looks okay to me. So if it's not gone past about here, no rips and tears, then you know it's got nothing to do with wiring. Screen's working again now. Everything seems to be working there, so the screen was the problem. So now to put everything back in, let's put everything back in the reverse order. Check everything works. Yep. See, all of this works. Screen button. Good guys, remember to put it back in. There's one hidden at the back there, one where my finger is, 2, 3, and then you got 2 additional ones. One in front of that one where my finger is, it's opposite that one at the back there, and obviously there's 2 at the bottom down there too. The glove box will be back on. Then you could slip this cover back in. Now just the other side. Hey, thanks guys for joining me on how to remove this MMI screen, this heater vent here, the glove box, and this trim along here. So if you got any questions or any comments, please leave them below. Thank you.